going on YouTube? It's your boy TonyTv here, and I'm back with another video today, man. Look, this is only gonna be a short video, but I got some roast beef in the oven, and I got some green peppers, onions, yellow peppers, red peppers frying up right now to put in the meatloaf, and I got some roast beef. I'm sorry, roast beef. And I got the gravy heating up to put on the roast beef. Check it out. Green peppers, sauteing the green peppers. There go the gravy and the mushroom. And there go the mashed potato. I'm going to add a little bit more butter. To that. And I'm going to stir that up one more time. Thank you. And this is about done. Only if y'all could smell this. Whatever. You're a damn lie. That smells good. You don't want to overcook it. You just want to saute it up a little bit. Like that cooking that frying pan a little bit. And I still got the roast beef in the oven. That's why I said on 400. So I'll take that out, and I'll show y'all that roast beef when I take it out. So let this cook for about another minute. Well, actually, that was done. Actually, well, I'll say another minute, but yeah. Let me turn it off. All right, I'm gonna turn this off. Stir it up one more time. And I'm going to go ahead and take that roast beef out the oven, and I'll show y'all that in a bit. Bam! Oh. Alright, I still got that going. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the all that to that. I should have dumped some of that out, shouldn't I? I should leave that in there. That juice. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna dump some of this out, and I'm gonna show y'all when I put the gravy and all that other stuff on there. Alright? Yeah, I'm gonna put that on there. Alright guys, dump some of the stuff out, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add the green peppers and all that to the roast beef now. So check it out.
Get the green peppers. I'm gonna transfer that over there.
Alright guys, I'm going to leave that there, but y'all get the picture. That's the roast beef. I still got to add the gravy. So, what should we do next?
Make your plate and show them the gravy and the mashed potatoes.
Alright, bet. Alright. Alright.
What plate are you using?
A big one. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and make my plate, and I'm going to show y'all what everything looks like on the plate. Was with the gravy, the final product. Yeah, I'm gonna have the gravy. I'm gonna have the mashed potato. I know I look a mess. I need to shave my beard. My beard look a mess. I need a camera when people recording themselves, they can actually see themselves and how they looking. Not I. Yeah, I know y'all see the tree. We still gotta take the tree down. It's about that time. So, alright, I'm gonna go ahead and make my plate, and I'll show y'all what it looks like after. Guys, here go the final result. I made my plate. I'm so hungry, I'm slapping. Alright, I'm gonna show y'all the final result. Here you go. Bam. Perfect. Bam. So we got more over there. Gravy. Mashed potato. And that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get my grub on. I'll see y'all in another video soon.